Family members, friends, and business associates gathered with heavy hearts to pay their final respect to late Mr. Roland Izuchukwu Enyinwa, who was laid to rest in his hometown in Awo in Ezimuzo, Ezinifite in Nnewi South local government area. Late Mr. Enyinwa passed away at the age of 51. Faith Oyemuche was there and now completes the story.
The funeral ceremony attracted dignitaries and sympathizers from different walks of life who came to commiserate with the Enyinwa family and honor the memory of the deceased. Delivering a sermon titled, "One Day Your Book Shall Be Open," the guest preacher, Apostle David Nnakenyi of Fire Covenant Church International, Osumenyi, reminded the congregation that the primary purpose of man is to praise and glorify God. Among those who paid tributes to the late Enyinwa were the traditional ruler of Ezinifite, Igwe Samuel Obika, and the President General of Osumenyi, Chief Chukwuemeka Akwezue, who described him as a good man. In separate interviews with the ABS, the brother of the deceased, Mr. Francis Enyinwa, his daughter, Miss Miracle Enyinwa, and a community member, Chief Robinson Uzoka, described the late Enyinwa as a cheerful, selfless, and generous individual.
So I'm asking, Chineke kasi hobi kariya kamadu wonke kasi na ha Jesus.
All we're asking for God is for Him to be our supporter, provide for us, and always be there for us.
From Ezinifite, Faith Onyemuche, ABS News.